this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add fade out effects on your videos in KineMaster. So if you like your video to end with a fade at the end, then it is pretty much simple to do it in KineMaster. All you need to do is to go over here to the gear button and then tap on it, and then choose whether you want to fade out audio or video. For case you want to fade out the video, so I'll tap on video, and then we have here fade in and fade out. For case we want fade out, so I'll go ahead and toggle this on, and then now you can increase or reduce the length depending on how long you want the effect to be applied. Once you're done, go ahead and tap on this X to exit, and now let's go ahead and play a video to see how that has been applied. Now if we play the video towards the end, you can see it fades out with darkness. So that's how you add fade out effects on your videos using KineMaster. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, please like it and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.